Hi viewers, today I will explain how to apply the Staff Selection Commission JEE application form. Persons who completed diploma, BTech or higher education are eligible for this in engineering department. And first you have go to Staff Selection ssc.nic.in official website. If you are new candidate, go to registration, and if you are not a new candidate, go with your old login details. You are a new candidate, you got 3 steps to fill. And first step here, do you have Aadhaar? If yes, click yes and enter your Aadhaar number, and again verify your Aadhaar number. If you have enter Aadhaar, you don't want to click type of ID and ID number also. After fill your name as per SSC and verify your name again. Have you ever changed name? Means click no. And father name enter as per SSC and verify father name again. Enter your mother name as per SSC and verify mother name also. Enter your date of birth as per SSC and previous date of birth records. And again verify your date of birth here and enter your SSC details, 10th class details. And here education board, here I am Andhra Pradesh residency, so I select Board of Secondary Education Andhra Pradesh. Again your verify education board and enter your roll number as per SSC and again your SSC roll number here and enter your year of passing SSC and verify year of passing again here SSC and enter your gender and verify your gender. Level of education is your highest qualification and enter mobile number, email ID, and the last option is not for us and leave empty. Click next option and you go to second step here. You have the category and enter your category and verify your category. Enter nationality and enter the identification marks as per SSC. Are you a person with benchmark disability? If yes, click yes, and if you know, click no. And type of disability, if you have benchmark disability, yes, and enter your disability here, otherwise leave it. And disability certificate number is not required if who click benchmark disability, no. And enter your permanent address here and state and district, pin code, and click it present address same as permanent address. If you click yes, and it is copy paste at permanent address here. And if you don't click and enter here details what you want, and I click yes here, so I got copy paste. And last option is not for us, it is for other nations, leave it empty and click next option. You enter into the third step, put tick mark to the agree. Once again check your details is correct or not. After that click final submit here. Then you get the OTP to email address and mobile number and verify your email address and mobile number. I already registered, so I don't get now, so you move forward. After that change password if you want. Go to official website and click with your login details. After that you saw this page and click apply SSC junior engineer. Then you saw this page. This page is automatically filled. What you are given details at 3 steps, they filled automatically here. Here we only enter some steps only. Number 1, centers, preferred examination centers. Number 1 I give Kurnool. I am searching for Kurnool and wait. Kurnool. Yes, I got Kurnool. I give second center as Hyderabad. Yes, I give Hyderabad as second center, and the third center as so all cities are far to me. And finally I click on Tirupati. I give third center as Tirupati. And after that whether ex-serviceman service and click no. If you yes, click yes. And after that seeking age relaxation. I click no. If you want to click yes, click yes. After that, postal applying for I am electrical engineer. I click for electrical and again enter electrical engineer, junior engineer. And after that you have educational qualification here, and I am a diploma holder, so I click diploma as my highest qualification. After we have a stream of study, and here electrical engineer automatically here, and after that university board here. This is the main for diploma holders. SPTET is not there, so you have to search your college under which university. For that you have first to go to Google and search polytechnics in AP SPTET. I am from residency of Andhra Pradesh, so I type that AP SPTET. After that you go to the like this. Here first option polytechnics in AP and TS SPTET, and click that. You enter here. Here we saw the first option. Here select the region what you want. I select the region Sri Venkateshwara University here, and click Sri Venkateshwara University. After that you enter the district. I enter the district what they given here. They give 5 districts: Nellore, Chitturu, Kadapa, Anantapur, Kurnool. I am a residency of Anantapur. I click the Anantapur option. Here we got the polytechnic colleges under Sri Venkateshwara University here. This is under the colleges of Sri Venkateshwara University. After confirmation your college is under Venkateshwara University or other universities what you search, remember that university name. Enter the university name as here and search the university board. Select university here. First option is here. Search the university name Sri Venkateshwara University. My university name is Sri Venkateshwara University. And where it is? Yes, letter. Keep searching. Yes, no. Keep searching. Yes, we got it. Sri Venkateshwara University. Here Sri Venkateshwara University is selected. After that you enter the roll number without any hyphens, and after that we have to enter year of passing and enter percentage also. After here, do you want to make your personal information available? I click no here. After that you have photography and signature here, and here we have to requirements allow for photo size 20 KB to 50 KB. They give image format also JPEG or JPG, and image size is about 3.5 centimeters width into 4.5 centimeters height. And one of the important thing is Staff Selection Commission give important notes on upload a photo, and our photo requirements is it is definitely not more than 3 months when date of releasing the application. And they give one more point, that the date in which the photograph has been taken clearly printed on the photograph. That means the date which you take the photograph is printed on photograph clearly, otherwise your application is rejected. At end point they give this point also, your application without the date printed on the photograph shall be rejected. So be careful friends. Take new photo with printed date before applying the examination. They give signature requirements also. And after that here agree option, click the agree option and enter the captcha what they give. After that if you enter all details clearly, you go with preview. For compression of photos and signature to upload, see the description for video. I make video on that, how to compress a photos and signature, and photo compression and signature compression is same as. See the link for video. Watch and do like it. Friends, I said your roll number without hyphens, but it take both hyphens and without hyphens. And remember one thing, if you are under Anandapur region, Sri Venkateshwara University is and two types, and number one is SHRI and SRI also. Our university is Sri Venkateshwara University SRI. So please select as careful. I give these instructions to my classmates, and go with your university which region you are. And here I said with hyphens, but without hyphens, but here it take with hyphens also. And I upload photo with date. And if you want to edit here only, otherwise you don't have any option. And finally I submitted, and at the top of the page you saw one small notification. This is the final chance to edit. And after that it asks payment. If you want, click yes. It move forward. I click yes here, and it move forward. And here it asks online or offline payment. I click online payment, and amount is 100. And after that I click it next, and it says some options here, and it shows I choose the UPI payment, and wait, it is loading. So after that here it asks your UPI ID. Here you enter your UPI ID. I enter. After that I will show. Wait. Enter your UPI and confirm, and here again it shows to confirm. I click confirm here. You also click. It is loading. After that here it is show like this to payment, and go to the UPI payment way which app you enter. And I enter the Amazon Pay, and click go to. I am going to Amazon Pay here. Yes, it is opening. After that I don't receive any notification till now. So I want to go payment page, and I am seeing till now I don't receive any notification. So I am going to payment page, and I am looking for pending transactions, and there we got the notification of SSC JE. Yes, I got it, and now I am click pay to the fee. Yes, I am clicking here pay. After that it shows again pay now. Yes, click pay now, and enter your UPI ID to complete your transaction. And I don't show my UPI ID, so I leave, and after that I show. Yes, my transaction is successfully complete. You are also seeing my transaction is successfully complete. And go to the SSCJ section, and I click here what they show in blue color. I click there. After I go to the next page, and official page of SSC. Yes, I am going. After it is going log out automatically. Again I log in, and go to the application status, and here my payment status is still now incomplete. So I am waiting till 24 hours. Before 24 hours it will complete, I think. Wait. If you are doing any mistakes, I am not responsible. This is my application, and I think this information is shared to you for knowledge on filling online application. If you don't have trust, go to net and apply it without any risk. They will apply clearly also. Like, share and subscribe to remote channel. Thank you.